When managed properly, that's a powerful thing because it allows you to do more with less. With credit cards, for instance, you're able to use somebody else's money for a short period of time at no cost, to the extent that you pay your credit cards in full by the end of the month. Now, of course, if you're late or if you don't make the payment, then you might pay interest and fees, and so it's not free. So when you deal with credit cards, your objective should be to minimize the cost that comes along with using them. As much as you can, you should try to increase your income and apply that increase to decrease your debt. Even if it's just picking up an extra shift or a couple extra odd jobs, applying $100 to a debt at the end of the year can make a big saving. You should cover at least your minimum payments on every single card every month. Late payment fees are really expensive, but not only that, they actually decrease your credit rating. That means a couple things. Not only do you pay a fee, but also when you apply for a loan in the future, you're less likely to get it. And if you do get it, it's likely going to be a higher interest rate. That means you pay more. One thing that you can consider doing, if it's not a usual problem, is to actually try to figure out if you can spend the money on the credit cards that have the least amount of interest. And so for instance, it may be that you're qualified for a 0% promotional interest rate that may last for 12 to 15 months. Well, if you move your spending to those credit cards, you're not actually increasing any interest. In the meantime, you can reimburse the other accounts. Of course, at the end of promotional period, the interest rates are going to jump, so you got to be careful. If you don't manage your debt and your debt accumulates, at some point it actually gets harder for you to get out of debt. It's a debt spiral, because as you stop paying your debt, your credit score decreases, your interest rates go higher, and it gets eventually harder and harder for you to get out of it. Right? And so it's harder for you to get new loans, it's harder for you to get good offers. It just gets more expensive to be in bad shape.